Hey fellas, in this video I'm going to talk about the three levels of our defense, our base defense, and I'm also going to talk about the difference of spill, force, and lane players. So, looking at our defense, we are right now looking at our base defense. A lot of times we call a strong call every play. In this idea, we're calling it to the tight end side or the wing side. What that means is our first level of defense is the D line. All right. In a 42, which what we're doing, that means we have 4 D linemen. All right. Our strong side is our strong D end, our strong side tackle. Our weak side is our nose, which is our weak side tackle, and our weak side end, which we call Raj. All right. All 4 of these guys are spill players in this defense, which means that they don't have any force responsibility. They want to make sure they spill people out. They have help to the outside. Now, directly behind our first line of defense, we have our 4 positions called linebackers. All right, our 2 interior linebackers are definitely run first. Our 2 outside backers typically are run first, but sometimes they have pass responsibilities. Sometimes defenses call these outside linebackers or strong safeties. We're going to call this position bandit. Anyway, this is the second level of defense. Sam and Mike. Sam is our strong side interior linebacker, and Mike is our weak side. They are spill players. Spill players means that they have to spill things out, just like the D line. The 2 bandits will be force player responsibilities, meaning that they are the outside edge. They cannot let anybody outside of them. So bandit force player, meaning that we want to keep everybody inside of us. We have outside contained. Now, going to our third level, we have our D-backs. These are the first group that is primarily pass first, right? Meaning that they have pass responsibilities. Once they realize that it's run, they come up to help the run. The cornerbacks are force players, secondary force players, meaning that if the bandit breaks down, the cornerback takes over that responsibility of making sure they turn the people or the player back into the rest of our help, which is the inside. And then the safety back here is the lane player. Lane player meaning that they're coming downhill and making a play wherever they have. They don't have any gap responsibility, or they don't have any responsibilities that way as far as force or spill. They just want to come downhill and make a play wherever the lane is created to make the play. I hope that helps. Have a good day.